Hello everybody, today I'm gonna be making vegetable rice and with gandules, and I have over here in my ingredients I have 3 cups of rice, pre-boiled rice. I already washed it and I put it in water so it doesn't stick. And over here I have 1 garlic. Over here I got 3 tomatoes. They're small like this ones, but you can use 2 tomatoes if you use the big ones. I use the long onions, so I have 1 cup of onion over here. I have the gandules over here, and these are the gandules I used. And I use 1 can. You can use 2 if you want to. I have my olive oil over here. I'm gonna be using 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Over here I got three cups of cabbage, and this is real good in the rice. Over here I cut four carrots in little pieces like this, and over here I have the colorful peppers, the sweet peppers, and this is the little pieces that I use. I use 1 piece of each. I have the orange one, yellow, and I have the green one, and I have red, so that way my rice can look real colorful. Over here I got my chicken flavor. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon, and I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And over here I got 2 tablespoons of oregano for my rice. So I'm gonna start by doing the sofrito, which is the tomato, onion, and the garlic, and then we're gonna put the peppers. Okay, so we're gonna start by putting the oil in the well, I already got the oil in the pan warming up, so we're gonna start. Okay, as you see I already have the oil right here, so I'm gonna put the tomato and the onions right there, and they're gonna start cooking until you don't see any more juice in there, because if you see the tomato is gonna be having like a little juice that goes in there. You see, when I start drying the tomato, we're gonna start putting the garlic and the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so I can put my garlic over here, and we're doing the sofrito. So we let it cook for a while over here, and then we go with the rest of the ingredients. The sofrito is looking like this, and like I tell you, you see all the juice of the tomato, so it needs to dry out a little bit more. If you see, this is the sofrito. So now I'm gonna put the other ingredients. Over here we only got the tomato I mean, and the onion and the garlic. Okay, so now we're gonna be putting the carrots and the peppers over here. There you go, and keep on cooking. Let it cook for a little while more, probably like 5 minutes, and then we go to the next step. Okay, now we're gonna be putting our cabbage. So our 3 cups of cabbage, nuestras 3 tazas de cabbage vamos a poner aquí. And it looks a lot, but once it starts cooking, it go a little bit down, like you see. And if you see, there's no juice over here. There's no tomato juice. This is only frying. Everything over here, it's frying. Okay. So we let it cook like for about 3 minutes. And then we're gonna be putting our rice. Okay, like you see. Now it's time to put our rice. So we're gonna be putting our rice in here, and it's 3 cups. Nuestras 3 tacitas de arroz ya bien lavadito y lo pusimos a remojar un poquito. So cuando se remoja un poquito el arroz se cocina más rápido. Okay, so I'm gonna throw the rice in here, right there. And we mix it. If you see this rice, you don't have to fry it like the way you do the Mexican rice. There you go. Now we're going to be putting our gandules. Our gandules look like beans. And you can use the ones from the can, but if you want to cook yours, they come in a little bag and you can cook them the way you cook beans. Only water and salt. So here are gandules. And we're going to be putting the water, okay? So I'm going to start with 2 cups. And this is hot water, okay? So 2 cups, but we're gonna do it until you cover the rice. So those are 2 cups of water. For this one, we don't use a lot of water because we already soak it for a little bit until the rice is covered right there. So it doesn't, there you go. So it's like 4 cups of water, okay? 4 cups of water for 3 cups of rice on this one, okay? Because you wash it, and when you wash it, it's like you soak it a little bit in water, so it's gonna come out real fast. And over here, I got the consomme. The chicken flavor is 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon of pepper right there. If you want it more salty, you can always taste it and see if it's enough salt. If it's not, you can always put more salt. But when I use the chicken flavor, I don't put salt because the chicken flavor is salty. But if it needs more salt, you can always put more, okay? It depends how you like it. This is the oregano. And for the oregano, I use 2 tablespoons. There you go. You see how it's looking? And we're gonna be using the Sazon Goya. So let me get it because I didn't put it in the ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna put two teaspoons of the Sazon. And this one comes with a saffron. So the saffron is the one that changed the color of the rice. And you can use the Sazon Goya, or you can use this kind. And this one is the one that changes the color of the rice, and it looks really pretty. So here you go. So we're gonna let it cook over here until the water gets dry a little bit, and then we're gonna cover the rice and lower the fire, okay? So for right now, we let it cook until the water is a little drier, okay? Okay, it's looking like this. Si miren cómo se sigue cocinando. Aquí se le ven todos los vegetales que le pusimos al arroz. Ven el cabbage. Y este arroz queda muy rico. Aquí le pueden probar ustedes el juguito, a ver si quedó bien de sal o if it's a little more salt. Let me try it. I think I'm gonna put 1 more teaspoon of salt over here. So remember, it has 1 tablespoon of consomme the pollo, which is chicken flavor. And I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt, okay, more. Well, the rice is looking like this. If you see the water, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover our rice now. And remember, the rice is gonna be ready until it gets soft. And you put the rice as salty as you want it. For me, right now, it was good. Okay, now we're gonna cover it and we're gonna lower the fire. I had it on medium, so we're gonna go more smaller, probably a little lower than medium. Okay, after 29 minutes, we're gonna taste our rice and see how soft it is. Después de 28 minutos vamos a ver que tan blandito está nuestro arroz. Ya parece que ya está. Sí, mira cómo se ve. Aquí se ven todos los vegetales. Si lo quieren más blandito, lo pueden dejar más tiempo. Pero yo lo voy a dejar ya así porque con el mismo vaporcito se va a poner un poquito más blando. So I'm just going to turn it off now. Because, you know, with the steam, it's going to be getting softer. And I hope you like my recipe. Gracias por ver la receta. Y espero les haya gustado. So have a nice day and thank you for watching.